गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रेन। सभी को मेरा स्वागत है। और हम पहले भगवान गणेश जी का मनन करते हैं। ओम गणेशाय नमः। Lord Ganesh will bless us to prosper in our life. Okay, so today our topic is divisibility rule, and these rules are very useful in our daily life as well as in preparing the competitive examination. Whenever you will appear the competitive examination, you will get the mathematical reasoning, and in that reasoning the things are available. Okay, so today we'll start the divisibility rule. So first of all, we'll start the divisibility rule of 1. You know, every number is divisible by 1. Okay, for example, I am taking, suppose 51. So when 51 is divided by 1, then you are getting 51, the number itself. So 1 can divide every numbers and the result is that number only. Okay. Similarly, suppose you want to divide 5 by 1, then the result is also 5. So this is the divisibility rule of 1. Similarly, the divisibility rule of 2. If a number is even or a number whose last digit is an even number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, including 0, then it is completely divisible by 2. Okay, so we'll take one example. Suppose you take 12. So you see the ones digit of this number. So the ones digit of the number is 2. So here I have written, if the unit digit or ones digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then the number is divisible by 2. So here the ones digit is 2, therefore the number is divisible by 2. So what is the reason? Because we know the formula that if the ones digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then the number is divided by 2. Suppose you are taking another example, 37. You, whatever the number here, whatever the number, but you take the ones digit. So the ones digit is here 7. So you see here 7 is here or not? No, because it contains 7. So the number is not divisible by 2. कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो, 2, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9, like this manner. Suppose you want to know whether this is divisible by 2 or not. So for that only you take the ones digit, not these things. So here you see 9. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, there is no 9. So what is the answer? The number is not divisible by 2. So if the number contains only 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 in its ones digit, then automatically blindly you can say that that number is divisible by 2. Okay, so now next we will proceed to the divisibility rule of 3. The divisibility rule of 3 states that a number is completely divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Okay, so we'll take one example. Suppose 6, 5, 3, 8, 9, whatever the number. So the rule is stating that sum of its digit. So you take sum of digits, that is 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9. So you take all the digits sum. The 6 plus 5, 11, then plus 3, 14, plus 8, 22, plus 9, that is 31. So you see 31 divided by 3, 10, and remainder is 1. So it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. So therefore 6, 5, 3, 8, 9 is not divisible by 3. Okay, this is the rule. Suppose again you take another number. Suppose you see 36. Suppose you want to test the divisibility of this number by 3. So same rule, sum of digits. The sum of digits is equal to 3 plus 6, that is 9. So now you divide this sum by 3. So 3 3 is 9, remainder is 0. Therefore 36 is divisible by 3. So कोई भी नंबर you take, जितना भी बड़ा नंबर ले जाओ, first you take the sum of the digits. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then automatically the number is divisible by 3. So this is about your divisibility rule of 3. And this divisibility rule is that similarity that of the divisibility rule of 9. So first we'll tell the divisibility rule of 4. So this divisibility rule of 4 states that if the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. क्योंकि in your competitive examinations, the smaller number will not come, the big number will come. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 6, 4, like this number is coming. Whether you have to test whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So the statements states that you have to take the last two digit number. So last two digit of the number you take. So the last two digit is what? 64. So you divide 64 divided by 4. And 4, 1 is 4, then 24, 4 6 is. So this digit, last two digit is divisible by 4. Therefore 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 is divisible by 4. Okay, so is this test the divisibility of this number by 4. So according the statements or according the formula, you take the last two digits, that is 64. So you divide by 4. So now it is answer is 16, remainder is 0. So the total number is divisible by 4. So you have to write the total number 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 6, 4. Both this total number. This total number is divisible by 4. Suppose for example you are taking 231. छोटा नंबर लेते हैं तो you take the last two digit. So that is this last two digit, just like this manner, 31 divided by 4. So this 4 8s are 32, 4 7s are 28, then 7 remainder is 3. So it is this 31 is not divisible by 4. Therefore 231 is not divisible by 4. Okay, so this is the rule. This rule states that if the last two digit, हमको बाकी से मतलब नहीं है, हमको only last two digit में मतलब है. So this is about your divisibility rule of 4. Okay. Now divisibility rule of 5. So this divisibility rule of 5 states that the number which lasts with digits 0 or 5, 0 or 5 are always divisible by 5. Means, suppose for example 50. So the last digit is 0. Last digit, you have to see the last digit. So 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 5. As why? As the last digit is 0, because our statement is telling that 0 or 5. Similarly, suppose कोई भी बड़ा number 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, suppose it is divisible by 5 or not, तो उससे हमारा मतलब, इससे मतलब नहीं, ओनली मतलब हमारा है 9 से, लास्ट डिजिट से. As this 9 is not divisible by 5, so the total number is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 5. Why? As the last digit is 9. Okay, so this is the divisibility rule of 5. Means the number which lasts with digits 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Similarly, for another example, 55. If 6, 5, like this manner. So you see the last digit. As the last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. This is about the divisibility rule of 5. Similarly, divisibility rule of 6. Numbers which are divisible by 2 and 3 are divisible by 6. So here you see this is the combination of divisibility rule 2 as well as 3. So 2, what is 2? If a number is an even number or a number whose last digit is an even number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, then it is divisible by 2. Suppose for example you see कोई भी नंबर, सपोज यहाँ दिया गया 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 8. So first we will test for divisibility of 2. So divisibility of rule is stating that if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. So पहले हम इसको 8 दिखे. So as 8 is in our statement, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So it is divisible by 2. ये पहला केस हो गया, इसका हम टेस्ट कर चुके हैं. अभी 3 को टेस्ट करना है. So 3, the divisibility rule of 3 states that if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So first for that you have to take the sum of digit, that is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 8, because sum of the digits, that is equal to 2, 4, 6, 6, 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 9, 29 plus 8, 37. So this sum of the digit is 37. Now you test for divisible by 3 or not. So when you divide, then this will be 12 and the remainder will be 1. So as it is not divisible by 3 but divisible by 2, so it is not divisible by 6, क्योंकि दोनों में divisible होना चाहिए. इसमें तो हो गया, but इसमें आपका नहीं हुआ, इसमें आपका नहीं हुआ, 3 में नहीं हुआ, so the number is not divisible by 6. Therefore 2 4 6 2 4 6 8 9 8 is not divisible बाय 6, क्योंकि वो दोनों को सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए, 2 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल को भी मानना चाहिए, 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल भी मानना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट शुड ओबे बोथ द लॉ, द divisibility of 2 as well as divisibility of 3, then it will be divisible by 6, but here only it obeys divisibility of 2 but not 3, so it is not divisible by 6. दोनों का यदि डिविजिबल हो जाएगा, दोनों से divisible by 6. So you have to remember both the divisibility rule, then you can clarify the divisibility rule of 6. Next is the divisibility rule of 9. It is just similarity that rule of 3. A number n, suppose a number is n, is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. For example, you are taking suppose one number 2 4 6 8 7 0 like this. Suppose whether it is divisible by 9, we don't know. Then you have to first find out sum of the digits of that number. That is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7 plus 0. Then 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20 plus 7 27. Now you divide 27 by 9. 9 3s are 27, a remainder equal to 0. As the remainder equal to 0, therefore the total number is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. The whole number, that is 2 4 6 8 7 0, is divisible by 9 because the sum is divisible by 9. So this is just, there is a similarity of that is 3 and 9. It should be, it also divisible by 3 also, because 3 9 is 27. So both a number n is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. So these are all rules, divisibility rule of 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 7. I will tell you in the next class 7 and 8. In 7 there is some complication because these are direct rule here, but in divisibility rule of 7 there is, you have to remember something special. So these are all about your divisibility rule. Thank you all, and you obey the rule.